Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now today we are discussing the contents of different branches of mathematics. So last time we have discussed the different fathers of different branches of mathematics. Similarly, today we are discussing the contents of different branches of mathematics. That is, as you all know that mathematics, okay, there are 6 branches of mathematics. So we have to discuss the different contents of different branches of mathematics. Now I am going to give you the examples. Many persons, or we also, sometimes we are moving from one place to another place. Okay, at the time we have to know the destination, we have to know the road map or air map or water map also. By that thing we can move to, or we can reach that particular place or our particular destination. Similarly, in mathematics we should know the map, or we should know the blueprint, we should know the actual road or actual path by which we can reach the destinations. That's why we have to know the content of each branches of mathematics. Okay, if we know the content, if we know the map, then only we can do, then only we can clear about our different branches of mathematics. Then maths becomes easier for us. Now today, arithmetic. Okay, in arithmetic there are different contents of mathematics, different contents of arithmetic. So today we are discussing few only I am writing in my board. Okay, that's why you can become clear what contents are included in arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic is divided into two branches, two types, that is pure arithmetic and commercial arithmetic. Okay, commercial arithmetic. Now in pure arithmetic, we can study, we can read the number system. Okay, number system, integers, okay, then fractions and decimals, okay, and like factors and multiples, okay, then number system, integers, fractions and decimals, factors and multiples, and other decimal system, okay, then like set theory or expansion also, etc. We can study many topics in pure arithmetic. Today I am giving you the few only for your concept, for your better concept, that is number system, integers, fraction and decimals, factors and multiples, okay, decimal system, set theory, expansion, etc. Now again, there are different like topics of commercial arithmetic, that is ratio and proportion. Number 1, ratio and proportion. Okay, ratio and proportion. Now unitary method, as you all know that is related to time and work. Okay, time and work. Number 1, number 2, we can write number 3 also, that is like average. Number 4, like profit and loss. Okay, profit and loss, discount also, then percentage. Okay, percentage, and we can say like percentage and its applications also, then simple interest, then compound interest, okay, then banking, then variation. Okay, variation. Now partnership business, I can write PB only. So shares and dividends, there are many topics which are included in like commercial arithmetic. Now we move to next, that is second branch, that is algebra. Okay, in algebra also there are many topics, so today I am giving you few only. Number 2, algebra. In algebra we are studying like factorization. Okay, factorization. First of all, we have to read the fundamental concept, fundamental operations. Okay, factorize we have studied. Then polynomials, then quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation, then quadratic surds also, then matrices. Okay, then matrices, then linear equations in one variable linear equation in two variable. Okay, then like logarithms, relation and mapping also. So there are many topics which we have to study in algebra. These are only few, etc. We can write etc. Okay, now we'll move to next, that is number 3rd. Arithmetic we have studied algebra also. Now number 3rd, that is algebra, then geometry. In geometry there are many topics. Now today we are discussing few only, that is lines and angles. Okay, questions related to lines and angles, then congruency of triangles, then theorems also. You all know that theorems related to circles. Okay, then angles and triangles. Okay, these are the short form of the angles and triangles. Okay, now constructions, you all know that construction. Okay, now lines and angles, congruency of triangles, theorems related to circles, angles and triangles, constructions. These are the few topics of geometry. There are many topics which we will study in our next video. Okay, now number 4, that is mensuration. Okay, in mensuration there are many topics, so today we'll discuss few only that is very much important for you all. That is number 1, area related to like polygons and semicircles. Number 2, area, total surface area, curved surface area, volume. Okay, and even the diagonal also. Related to cone, cuboid. Okay, then we can say sphere, cube, then cylinder, etc. And there are many topics. Okay, so in mensuration we have to study the area related to polygons and semicircles, area, total surface area, curved surface area, volume, diagonal. Okay, related to cone, cuboid, sphere, cube, cylinder, etc. These all are solid figures for which we have to study of area, total surface area, curved surface area, volume, diagonal, etc. Okay, there are also like parallelogram, trapezium, quadrilateral also, rhombus also we have to study in mensuration. That is, we have to find the different dimension of these all for these all solid figures. Okay, now that is, now today again we have to study trigonometry. Now number 5, trigonometry. In trigonometry there are many contents. We have to study the trigonometric ratios. Okay, we have to find the trigonometric ratio, that we have to study in trigonometry. Number 2, we have to study trigonometric identities. Okay, identities. And number 3, trigonometric functions, related to complementary angles. Okay, and we have to study height and distance also, height and distance, etc. There are many branches of, there are many topics of trigonometry which we have to study in trigonometry only. Now lastly about statistics. Statistics is an interesting subject, interesting part or interesting type or branches of mathematics which we have to study. Now in statistics there are many topics, there are many contents. Now first of all we have to know the basic concept. Okay, and we have to study the bar graph, double bar graph. Okay, then even the pie chart also. Then especially like we have to find the measures of central tendency like mean, median, mode. And also we have to find ogive, okay, histogram, their graph also. So these are the basic like concept, basic contents of statistics. We have to study the basic concept: bar graph, double graph, bar graph, pie chart, measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, histogram, ogive. These all we have to study in statistics. So there are many contents which we have to study in statistics. Like probability also we can study in statistics. So now today these are the basic concept of contents of different branches of mathematics. So by this I hope that you all will get the basic ideas or the knowledge which further you can do the mathematics easily.